I apologize for the break in video uploading, but I had various issues plaguing my personal life, which was making vlogging impossible. So I pulled my neck on 2 separate occasions, 8 days apart. And the first time was vastly due to my helmet. I ride with an Icon variant primarily, and it has a peak on it. So, you know, as much as it is a very, very cool helmet, the peak does have one drawback, and that is that it traps wind. That is that it traps wind. So we went on a high-speed breakfast run. So anyways, I can commute with it. So going to work every day, the variant is perfectly fine. But then I went on a high-speed breakfast run, and I had another shark helmet, and I can't remember why I didn't take it, because I knew it was going to be a problem. I grabbed the variant, and at about, well, high speeds, okay, on the particular road we were on, the wind managed to tuck under the visor, and it pulled my neck quite severely. So that was that. And then it took about 3 or 4 days to heal. And I went to the gym, and one false movement on a shoulder exercise, and my neck went again. So anyways, to cut the long story short, I bought a new helmet. I'll post some pictures up of it for those of you that have not seen it. But every single time I buy a new helmet, it takes me about 3 videos to find out where the optimal place to put the microphone is. So I tried yesterday, and I was going to upload a video, and it just didn't work out. I'm trying today again, but I can tell that already that I'm going to sound a bit nasal, because where the microphone is, with the dead cat, it is blocking one of my nostrils, so it's feeling a little bit awkward. So I'm going to have to find a better spot for it, maybe trim the dead cat a bit. But yes, hopefully this is recording at least, so I will have a video to upload. If not, it's just going to be a boring video going to work with no wheelies at all. Morning traffic, everybody seems to be struggling in the fucking middle, and I don't know why. Some people are very good and say the fuck off of it, and other people seem to deliberately use up as much of their lane as they can, as if to give the bikers a little fuck you. Why do you think you're so special that you can filter? But if people knew the rules of the road, they would know that lane splitting or filtering is perfectly illegal in South Africa, just that people don't know. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's so fucking sad. I'm gonna load the most boring video I've ever done on my birthday. out of the fucking cops. I don't know who they're chasing. I'm just glad it's not me. I had my doubts for a second. It don't indicate.